In addition to me being an education expert and a love research scientist, I also help hundreds of students get into college on various academic levels. Today, I will be explaining college majors to you. So we are doing this in alphabetical order. Today, we are starting with biomedical engineering and business administration. Fun fact, I am also getting my MBA. That is my fourth degree. As always, if I'm looking down, it's because I have my notes written on my screen. So let's get into the core focus of biomedical engineering. The core focus of biomedical engineering is applying engineering principles to healthcare, focusing on designing medical devices, diagnostics, and treatment technologies. Now let's talk about some of the career pathways. As always, this is not completely robust or comprehensive, but just to give you an idea. So you can be a medical device designer, you can be a clinical engineer, biomaterials developer, a prosthetics designer, healthcare data analyst, a pharmaceutical engineer, a regulatory compliance specialist, biomechanics researcher, surgical robotics technician, and biomedical research and development scientist. Here's a fun fact. If you are going to go corporate, the sector that pays the most is always going to be R&D, always going to be research and design. I used to be a recruiter. That's how I know. Now, let's talk about some graduate programs you should consider. So you could get your master's in biomedical engineering. You could get your PhD in bioengineering or biomechanics. You could get an MBA with a focus in healthcare management, or you could go to medical school. And so let's talk about how you can apply your knowledge across different sectors, starting with corporate. So if you are an innovator at heart, you can create medical devices and implants. If you're interested in going the private equity route, you can fund or help fund health tech solutions. Of course, you can consider going the federal route, working for the FDA or the NIH. Again, for my inventors, if you want to go the startup route, creating different devices for prosthetics or biomedical engineering. And then the nonprofit route, you can also improve global access to health technology or healthcare in general. Now, let's talk about the core focus of business administration. So the core focus is learning the fundamentals of management, finance, marketing, and operations to lead and grow organizations. So here are some career paths that you could consider. You can be a business analyst. You could be a marketing manager, operations manager, financial advisor, entrepreneur, human resource manager, supply chain manager, management consultant, any type of consultant, to be honest, sales